Motorsport. Behind me we got a 2019 Ranger 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbo. We're pretty excited about this platform. It's very similar to the Mustang 2.3, which we've had a lot of success with. This particular truck, there's some pretty substantial gains to be made on it. We've been working on this calibration for some time now. This calibration from us will have CARB EO status on it, so it's legal to sell in all 50 states. We've got some pulls we've already made in the baseline. I think it was real impressive as far as a stock truck. There's a lot of things we're going to address in the tune, the way it shifts. This is a 10-speed like some of the other cars Ford's been making. We've noticed this thing does the skipping 1 to 3, 3 to 5 and the shifts. We fixed that in the tune. We're going to go ahead and show you the baseline numbers right here. 250 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque. We're going to go ahead and install our tune, make some runs in a couple minutes, and we'll get right back. Okay, we got the tune installed in the truck. Andy's in the dyno. We're going to go ahead and make some pulls right now and see what kind of power this 2019 Ranger makes. So it looks like we picked up, went from 250 to 306. And if we look right here, it looks like we picked up a neighborhood of almost 80 horsepower right there. But down here, 100 foot-pounds of torque. That's pretty impressive. All right, stay tuned to LivernoisMotorsport.com.